We just discussed the importance of objectivity, match, and detail. Now let's look at the importance of rubric ratings on portfolio collection forms. Rubrics. What are rubrics? Rubrics are clearly defined levels of performance showing small steps of progress moving from less to more complex capabilities. Why are rubrics necessary? The ELGs have rubrics for the preschool and kindergarten years to help organize ratings. Here is a rubric sample for EI 8.3, increasingly attempts to represent meaningful words and print in the environment using the early stages of writing. It belongs to Outcome 8. The child engages in activities that promote the acquisition of emergent writing skills. The domain is number 2, literacy. The bottom of the page shows which Common Core standards this EI aligns with. This section has the rubrics for 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds, and kindergartners or 5-year-olds. Undoubtedly, you are aware by now that there are crossover or overlapping rubrics between indicators. For example, makes marks or scribbles and identifies them as writing is both accomplished for 3s and first steps for 4s. Likewise, shows increasing control of the writing tool as seen in the formation of letter-like shapes, forms, or pretend cursive writing, and some letters may write some words or names is accomplished for 4s and first steps for kindergarten.
Not every child will accomplish every indicator. Indicators guide teachers by setting expectations for children's learning and performance. With those expectations, each child can be described as performing at some point on a continuum of progress toward an indicator. Therefore, it is essential to identify what that point of progress looks like by assigning a rubric rating. In that way, each teacher and parent can see it clearly in the child's actions and understandings. Rubric ratings capture the small steps of a child's progress toward an essential indicator. 1. Is the child not yet demonstrating the indicator?
How do you do this?
2. Is the child just making first steps toward the indicator?
We'll find some. I'm sure there's more in there.
3. Is the child making progress toward the indicator? 4. Is the child accomplishing the indicator? 5. Is the child exceeding expectations of the indicator?
Now I need to build his body.